So it's been about a week since I've done an update on the growth of the garden. These are contender beans. They're already starting to bloom. Tomorrow the blooms will be opening up on them. And these are a purple style. They're a little bit slower growing. The tomatoes, they're just about all blooming, setting some fruit. Okra, it is blooming, setting a bunch of fruit. Watermelon, I've got probably 4 melons growing on these 3 little bushes. I'm going to be cutting 1 bush out. We're just going to do 2 bushes, probably get at least 6 melons total. Everything's growing real good. Some more tomato plants. And then got a bunch of onions, scallions, spinach, carrots growing in the pool. Having no issues with this. And then we got more tomato plants in this. They're setting fruit. Got all type of plants in it. Like I say, you won't be able to see the perlite once all this comes up. And then this little store-bought tomato plant, it's setting fruit all over the place. Even baby tomatoes. Let's see, where you at? Right there. They all seem to be, when the flower falls off, they seem to be all producing. Those big old blooms. Got some more Florida turnips, mustard greens, some Swiss chard, rainbow bright lights. There's some more okra. It's just kicking butt. It's gonna be good, man. Pretty bloom. Got okra right next to it. The squash, we'll see. It's so hard to grow in this area with all the bugs. Had mites on the eggplant. Don't think it's gonna make it. Pepper plants are doing real good. They're blooming. Got 3 out of 4 pepper plants blooming right now. Another tomato plant setting the flowers. It'll be producing. And let's see, different type of beans here. These are the rattlesnake beans. They're growing really good. They're all vining. Be surprised what it looks like next week. And another type of beans. I was hoping the kale and all that would be up big, but it's probably going to get shaded out before it's over with. I might spin this unit around. The ginger opens up with holes in the leaves. Don't know why, but other than that, it's doing really good. I got 2 little spots of ginger right here. Look at these tomatoes. Oh, can you see them? So we'll do another update in a couple days. Show you the big difference. Y'all hit subscribe so you can see the changes. I'm gonna make a couple little changes on the unit. We'll talk about it next time I do a video.